America loves an icon. It represents a standard of success, a commitment to integrity, a passion for authenticity, and a reputation for quality, establishing a benchmark of excellence for all followers to strive for. To culinary enthusiasts everywhere, there is one icon that rises above all others, one that's been empowering them for more than 70 years. An inspiration, a kindred spirit of Epicurean achievement, a leader with a history of industry firsts, like the invention of the built-in oven, which revolutionized the American kitchen. One who continues to establish a new standard of American luxury and allows artisans in kitchens across the country to fully realize their creative aspirations. At Thermador, we create products with unrivaled performance, unparalleled design, and state-of-the-art functionality that embody the essence of fine living and elevate cooking to an art form. They aren't for everybody, only for those who insist on true cooking performance. Thermador, an American icon.